Today we're going to be doing a product overview on a DTech LB7 injector install kit. So it's part number DTech or DT660021. We sell a ton of these injector install kits, and this is for the LB7 injectors. So one of these kits does one side of the motor. I'm going to show you what comes in the kit and exactly what the seals are for. We're going to show you what comes in the DTech LB7 injector install kit. I've got an injector here that's got the gaskets already on it, so we're going to show you what each one of these. And again, one of these kits does one side of the motor. When would you buy this kit? You would buy this kit if you're doing an injector installation, if you ever had to pull the heads off of it, if you're keeping the same injectors in it, if you want to just re-O-ring those. That's what this kit is designed for. If you buy new injectors, they're already going to have the O-rings on them, but you're going to need some of the other banjo fittings that come in this kit. So let's go over what comes in it. So the O-rings are on the injectors first. The injector inlet O-ring, you can see right here where my finger is. You get 4 of those that'll come in the kit brand new. The injector body O-ring, 4 of those will come in the kit brand new. Also, you will get 4 new copper compression washers for the injectors as well. Then you will get the banjo fittings, the 4 of them. My hands are dirty there. You will get the 4 of them that go on this back leak rail at the injectors themselves, and then also the new washer that goes at the back leak rail to the head, which will be right here. So you get everything you need to seal up your injectors underneath of the valve cover. Thanks for watching.